Now today the Gus Macker tournament gets underway, a weekend full of basketball and community here in the Twin Cities. All right, I'm Duxter here. More. He's over in Brooklyn Park right now, and oh no, it's raining. Oh no.
Reg, you know what they say, no pain, no gain, right? So these are folks that were willing to play rain or shine. The rain been kind of coming and going, but we're hoping it's on its way out because there's lots of basketball to be played today. I'm here with DeRay Ward. This is a big weekend for a lot of people, especially for the folks at Forward Thinking, which you're the founder of. How do you fit into this weekend, and just what does this weekend mean to you?
I fit in on two ends of it. One, my foundation is a recipient of the funds from the event, and also I'm the coordinator of the special events where we have the celebrity game, coaches game, mascot, dunk contest, free throw, three-point. They're all going to be fun.
This is 50 years of Gus Macker. First time in a number of years that it's back in Minnesota. You were telling me before we got started, you remember as a kid, what do you remember growing up going to Gus Macker?
Going to the Gus Macker when it was back in St. Paul. When I was younger, it was just the festivities. The food trucks was always amazing. The dunk contest was fun. And as I told you, like just the competition of the girls, like watching them play. Even Timor, she's an ex-Lynx player. She played. I watched her play back in the days, and it's just the competition, the fun, the being outside, the grit. It just brings, you know, just fun and competition and challenges and just all in one.
Well, it doesn't get grittier than playing in the rain, I'll tell you that. Quickly, Forward Thinking, your foundation, helps kids use basketball as a tool. I mean, how cool is it that there's an event like this?
It's amazing. So like that's why when I heard it was coming back, I went to the first meeting. I wasn't a recipient then. I wasn't a coordinator. I just came to the meeting to see what they were talking about. Like, I'm gonna put some teams in there. That's my first mindset. And then they heard my ideas and like, hey, you should come and be a part of this. I'm like, why not? I'm already gonna put teams in it. I want it to be the best ever, better than it was before. So I'm all in.
We are playing, unless there's thunder, we're going to be out here, right?
Rain, sleet, snow, thunder, everything.
Let's go. Well, Reg, you've heard of being wet from three, but I think I think we're going to give it a new definition today here at Gus Macker, and we've got plenty of sunshine ahead, too, for this weekend. Again, it's today and tomorrow here in Brooklyn Park.
Well, DeRay and his foundation are truly a community treasure, and a guy can hoop, so I hope you get to see him in action today, too, Adam.
Oh, yeah. I've been hearing the stories. He said Kevin Garnett was the man he modeled his game after, so I'm excited to see it.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Thanks a lot, Adam. Now, still to come, a celebration of